Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Cloud Institution. So today in this video we are going to discuss about another very interesting and very important interview question as well. So how are the internet facing the instances are placed in the VPC? Okay, so the question is how are internet facing instances placed in VPC? So which means that interviewer is trying to analyze your subnetting skills. Okay, so how are the internet facing instances are placed? So we have two different subnets, right? So one is private and another one is public. Okay, so where the internet facing resources are placed and how it is got placed. Okay, so the answer for this question is going to be the internet facing resources or the instances are typically placed in public subnets. Okay, so where they can have a public IP addresses, or you can place the private subnet, they can access to the internet through the NAT gateway. Okay, so this is the perfect answer. So basically, if you can go back to the diagram. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that so this is the public subnet. The public subnet will be having the internet gateway attached, and then the route table will be routed through the internet. Okay, so for example, if you have any one of the instances, so it's been placed, so in the public subnet, so that instance will have a public IP addresses. Okay, so that instance must be have a public IP address, public IP addresses. Okay, so through this public IP address, okay, it will be going through this public IP address. Okay, so all the traffic will be routed through the internet using this public subnet. Okay, so how about the private subnet? Okay, so for example, if you have one instance is available in this private subnet. Okay, so even though this particular instance might be having the public IP addresses, okay, but it because it doesn't have an internet gateway attached to this private subnet, it is not having an internet gateway route. Okay, so it cannot access to the internet directly. So in this case, what be happening is that you'll be placing the NAT gateway in the public subnet. Okay, this is the NAT gateway. Okay, so all the traffic will be routed through the NAT gateway. Okay, so this NAT gateway have a route in the route table. Okay, so the route table will have the access to the internet. Okay, so this is how the internet will be access to the private subnet. Okay, so that's what we are discussing over here. So internet facing resources are typically placed in the public subnet, whereas they can have a public IP addresses. Okay, or you can place in private subnet. Okay, so they can access the internet through the NAT gateway. Okay, so here two things are coming into the picture. Okay, so internet gateway that is attached to the public subnet, and the private subnet doesn't have an internet gateway attached. Because of that one, so all the instances will be having access through the NAT gateway. Okay, so this should be the answer for this question. Okay, so hope this question was helpful for you to prepare your interview. Okay, so these are all the questions or highly recommended to ask in the interview. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please forward it to your friends for the interview preparation. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to me on this number. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.